A seamstress with 60 years of experience shared with me the secret to easily threading any needle in under a minute. I feel like I wasted so much time and should have known this sooner. First, take a pair of scissors and cut off both ends of the cotton swab, just like I'm showing you on screen. In case you didn't know, these aren't just for cleaning your ears. They can also help us thread a needle, and I'll show you how right now. Next, we'll cut one of the bristles from a plastic broom. Over the years, threading a needle tends to get harder. This could be due to loss of vision or because the eye of the needle is often too small. Now, we'll fold the bristle in half and insert it into the plastic tube of the cotton swab so that we have an arch at the end. With a lighter, we'll slightly burn the other end so it melts and stays fixed. And just like that, we've made our homemade needle threader. Quick, right? Now, here's how to use it. Simply pass the arch you created through the eye of the needle, just like you would with a traditional threader. Then, slide the tip of your thread through the arch. You'll be amazed at how quickly and easily the thread passes through the needle. With this trick, threading needles will no longer be a frustrating task. It'll be fast, simple, and even fun.